This is the EL900 range of strikes. This is the EL901, which is 12 volt, power to lock, which is fail safe. It's dual functionality. You can also get it in 24 volt. To change the functionality, there's a screw which you remove. This is a holding screw, so you can put the screw back in there. So if you do need to change the actual functionality back, you just need to swap it back over. And this will make it power to open, which is fail secure. All details of how to actually change it over are in the base of the installation instructions.